Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kazzaroo. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set your face with some setting powder. I've got two different types. I've got one that's for under the eye. It's the new Pat McGrath one. I got it in baby pink and she looks like this. Very, very pretty. This one is new to my collection. Let's open this bad boy up. It comes with like a little mirror and it's sort of domed like that, as you can see. Okay. And this one cost me £31. This one's a bit more, you know, high end, a bit more luxy, a bit more bougie if you like. I'm also testing this one out at the moment. And another one I've got, this is a cheaper option. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. Looks like this in medium. And it comes in a little plastic dish like this. I can't remember how much this one cost exactly. Looks like this. I love this one though, because look, you don't get all of that to come out. You just twist it where you've got the little holes and you can just get a little bit out when you use it, and that's what I do. I just twist it a little bit, tip out a little bit in your pot, tip out a little bit in your lid, in your pot, and then I just have about that much. And then you're going to get a big sort of fluffy brush that you have to hand. I like using this one. I think I'll link down below for you. This one is just an old one from Lidl's. It's magnetic, it's kind of cool. And then now I just dip my brush in. Okay, swirl it around, try not to breathe it all in, tap the excess off, and then apply. I've got a foundation on already. I'm running Estee Lauder. I'm just going to show you. So with the brush, I would just bounce it all over, like my face, where I've got the powder, and just take a little bit more. This is if you want to set your foundation with some powder. You don't always have to set your face with powder. There are setting sprays you can use, but for the purpose of this video, this is how I put the powder on my face, and that's it. Just like a light dusting. You can take it and brush it down your neck. You can go and add more. Check again though in your mirror, because sometimes if you add too much, your face and your foundation, depending which one you use, can start looking a bit more like your face will start looking like more powdery, more hairy, where it sits sort of like on top of your hairs. And then what you can do is take these little puffs. These are quite cool, not very expensive. And then you can just get it and then also pat in the powder so it sinks in a bit better. And you can just do that all over your face if you want to. And now for the next one, I'm going to show you here. So this one, the Pat McGrath one's like meant to be like a blurring under eye powder. Again, you can take a brush, a fluffy brush you could take. Or you could take another little puff and you would just get that powder and just gently put it underneath the eye where you want to set it. The Techniques brush, this is the 400 one. This one's quite a nice one, really big and fluffy. Nice one to put powder on with. Any sort of big fluffy brush like this. They're ones to use for like powders. But you don't have to, you can use a little puff. Or you can literally just go in, put a little bit on your little puff, and then you just push it in to the area you want to set under your eye, and just leave it to set. There's another thing that some people do. I don't like doing this. It does sort of soak in the foundation, but I feel like it makes it a bit patchy. Some people, after applying the foundation with the beauty blender, they will then take a dry bit of the beauty blender, go in with their powders, and then use that to like set and push in so it all melts into the face. I've done this technique before and I can show you in another video. It's okay, but again, it depends what foundation you're using, what powder you're using, and how wet your sponge is, because if it's really, really wet, you're just going to be taking off everything you just put on your face. So, but that's another video, okay? So I hope that was helpful. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next makeup tips video. Thank you. Bye.